Just another update on the rust on the bulkhead. So I've got the repair panels for this bit here. This is the bit I repaired a couple of years ago. Obviously I couldn't get into all this because the engine wasn't out and stuff, so I had to repair along here and make a new hole for the elephant trunk. But this bit I suspected was starting to kind of rust a bit here again, so I think I'd actually patched it there, and there's a bit there, so I've just cut that bit out and I've made up a new panel for it. So just got that there, so that just sits in there, and then obviously put the other bits in over there. So that bit goes there, that bit goes there, and then I've got a little edge, because it's difficult to make like a full bit for this here. So the way this is made so it sits in that corner, and then once that's all in, that'll go in, that'll all push in to here and to here, then I'll be able to weld it back on here, that bit, and then once that's done I can seal right along here. This isn't the best metal, it's a wee bit rusty, so I'm just going to gently spot weld a couple of bits. I'll do most of the welding up here, around here. This is a new bit, so here, so do around there, and just spot a couple around here so it doesn't burn through or anything. So you can see where I've ground it down, it's still a bit weak, and you can actually see a hole in that bit there. You can see it, one of many. So I mean, obviously you can't get this new, you can't get this panel and all this. It would be an absolute nightmare to replace all this, so just get to make do and mend. But it's a lot better work I'm doing on it now than I done last time, so hopefully once I get it on I can seal it all up and there won't be any more. Pretty suspected there was leaks coming through somewhere like in here or whatever. I don't know, I'm not sure, but it was a bit of a patch job the first time anyway, so because I couldn't really get into properly kind of fix it and get all the rust out, the metal and stuff. So okay, see you in the next video.